Bob from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford Focus here on a 2007 plate, just doing the main dip bulb on this side. I'm going to show you which one it is first. If you switch your lights on, please. Now, as you can see, that one there is working, but this one here isn't working. Now, to do it, we've got to remove the headlight, and the tools you need for that one: lights off. You need a flat screwdriver if you haven't got a T30 Torx, which, as you can see right there, that's the number right there, T30. You may not be able to see it, but it's a multi-spline one. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb. Now that you can find in the description as well, at the end of the video, or in the description, the link for it. Now this is the screw we need to take out. Once you take the screw out, right here, okay, so what you've got to do is put your hand in there, just on that side there, and then wedge your fingers in there. I know it's a bit difficult, but all you do is wiggle, and then pull it towards you. Once that's done, you gently lift the whole thing out. Now you can see these are the bits that one went underneath this, one went underneath this as well. So these are the areas. Now to take it out, that's a clip, that's a clip, that's a clip, and then there's one here. So take the whole thing out. Just remember the seals, so make sure the seal is good. Now if you did want to change the 4-beam bulb, you can do that at the same time as well. That's the bulb right there. All you do is take the plug out, push the spring down that way, and then pull out towards you. Now this is a H7 bulb which we're doing. So wiggle, the plug's out. You then push the spring in. As you can see, there's a gap in there. So push the spring down, and then take the whole thing out. Now you see the way the bulb is situated. The pin locator on the H7s, that needs to go up like this. So I can't put the bulb in like this or like this. If I did, the beam image will be incorrect. So I've got the H7 bulb right here. Another important thing about the bulb: never hold the bulb from the lens. So I slot it in just like that, and then bring the spring forward. Now you can see that gap right there. So it goes in, and that's it, job done. I then plug it back up. Now if you did want to change the indicator bulb, which is right here, and the position bulb, which is known as parking or sidelight bulb, that's quite easy as well. So it's a 501 bulb. You can replace that at the same time. With the indicator, that's a bulb right there, so it's an orange bulb. Put it back in, and I'm just going to put the cover on. Like I said about the seal on the cover as well, so make sure the seal is intact. So you push it in. So this is the bit where you have to just in. That's it. You then slot it in. There's no special way, but if you did want to see, so you've got this bit here which slots in there. That right there is slots in. So this bit slots in there. That's why you have to pull it out towards you. And then you've got another one right there as well on the inside, which is at the bottom somewhere of the light. So I slot the light, line it up. Once it's lined up, I then push it forward. Now you see, this is a tricky part. You need to make sure it's all lined up before I even push it in. Here we go. That's it, job done. I'm going to put the screw back in. And the last thing we're going to do is check the light, make sure the light is working. Right, that's all good. You switch the ignition on and check the lights, please. Right, here we go. That's all good now. And that one's good as well. Lights off. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, just check out the playlist for Ford and leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you. Goodbye.